What is up, guys? This is Jacob and welcome back to another video. I know sometimes I don't usually upload videos on school days, but today I made it fit. Did my game just freeze? Wait, it's either my game just froze or something is wrong with it. What? I don't know. Well, this already hasn't started to be a good video. That's great. So guys, yeah, we just need to wait for this to load again. Yeah. Well, that's good, guys. At least the music came on. You might not hear because I didn't set that up for this video. That's only on live streams. I kind of forgot that. But when you hear the weird rap music, that means the game has started to load, and boom, we're in, and boom, let's get my nice Lambo. But it's not just any Lambo, it's a golden Lambo. Beautiful gold. It's also really quick. Oopsies. I wonder how you get on the criminal board. You know what? That's what I'm gonna try to do in this video. Oh, oh my gosh. The speed limit is 50. Well, I'm gonna go way over that. The speed limit's 50. I went over 150 miles above the speed limit. Oh, but this is a racetrack, so I can go however fast I decide. Come on. If I beat this dude's only in a Lamborghini Countach. I didn't even know you could get Lamborghini Countaches in this game. At least that looks like one. That's very sick. And that person has a full GT. Okay, I'm gonna 100% lose. That person has a Nissan GTR. That person has a Corvette. Nissan GTR. Corvette. Oh, Dodge Challenger 1960. Sweet, bruh. Oh, never mind. It wasn't a LaFerrari. It's a Ferrari F40 and a Ford GT. Take that back. But still, oh my gosh, the Ferrari 8.086. Okay, that thing's just slow. For a Ferrari, though, for a Ferrari, surprising. For a Ferrari, like, that person won because oh my gosh. If I freaking edit this video, I'm just going to freaking instant replay that. He was like freaking doing wheelies and other crap. What the frick was that? I don't even know what the freak that was. I mean, what the heck? Oh my gosh, I really hope I go against that Tesla right there. Actually, oh, is that Tesla? Yeah, that's the Tesla Roadster. The first one that came out, not the new one. Or is it? I don't know. Or is it a Nissan? I don't know. Oh, hello, Corvette Stingray. Actually, in this video, I might buy that car. That is a beautiful car. That is one beautiful car. Ooh, so beautiful. Oh, sorry, got it wrong. 1970, I said 60. No. But yeah, guys, we're gonna keep on racing people, doing all that good stuff. Hopefully, this turns out to be a good video. Because most of the time I say I'll edit it, I forget to edit it, but then I edit out all the stupid stuff. Yeah, even though sometimes oh shoot. Oh my gosh, what the frick was that dude doing? And I lost. See, look, I can go up to 200 miles per hour. But the thing is, the acceleration on this thing sucks. This is a nice car, but the acceleration on it is terrible. So let's just go to a garage, and this thing is soon going to be the fastest car. Because I almost have 100,000, but it might not be gold anymore. It might not be a gold Lambo anymore. Turbocharger. Quad turbocharger. What? Okay, I'm still getting that. No matter what, I'm getting that. Explosive. Oh, I already have that. C4. I don't really know how you do that. Use it. Thrusters. Basic thrusters. Oh, I already have that. Transmission. Ooh, pro short gear transmission. Oh, that gives it faster acceleration. Acceleration. Ooh. Racing. Drift. Oh, geez. There's a appearance. Okay. Okay. Rim. I need sick freaking rims. Spike rims. Oh, those look beautiful. Okay, I'm going with those. I'm going with those. Rim color. What about that? Red or a nice blue. Oh, that actually kind of looks sick. Electric blue. Or lapis. Okay, that looks freaking awesome. Wait, what's the license plate on this car? 5,000? My freaking gosh. Primary reflection, okay. Secondary reflection. Oh, that looks amazing. Okay, you gotta admit though, that looks freaking awesome. Shoot. Nah, really bad. Really bad. What I should be saying. Rim material. Metallic. Neon. $100,000. Oh, okay, just calm down. Neon's on. Okay. Let's go to modifications again because wait, radar. Oh, that hasn't even come out yet. Shocks. Racing shocks. 7,005. Oh, I need $500 more. Stock shocks. Wait, no. Springs. Racing springs. What about monster truck? Oh, that downgrades it. Lowrider. Oh, that increases it. Oh, but that's expensive. Off-roader 10,000, not too bad. Lowrider. Ooh, that's expensive. Street racer. Not too bad, but I'm just gonna leave it here because this video's already getting long. Oh my god. Do you see that metallic? Oh, you know what? I'm gonna check out my other. Yeah, I rarely use this account, but I'm gonna try out my car that I used to use. This thing cost me 100,000. No, cost me like 60K. What's the max speed of this? Max speed of my other car is like max speed of my other car is like it's high. 199 miles per hour. My other is like 150 miles an hour. Now, granted, it does take it a long time to get to that, but I've gone down this road like this and been like this, and just been like, this is a freaking fast car though. Holy crap, this is a fast car though. The acceleration on this thing is next level. Oh jeez. Dodge Viper. Well, I got it because it runs with my YouTube name, and look at the license plate. Hyper. And it's a Dodge Viper. Oh frick. This thing freaking sucks. Never mind. The acceleration on the Lambo is way better. Boom. The acceleration on the Lambo is way freaking better. Because I just got the new not transmission, what was it? I probably need to rewind in the video like right now. What about the gold Lambo? Huh? You ain't beating this dude. This thing is the heart of gold. Wait, come on. Shoot. Versus full GT? There's no way I'm winning this. No way I'm winning this.